Hey everybody, today we are working on a Dollar Tree pumpkin that I think you guys are going to enjoy. I picked up this layered pumpkin at my Dollar Tree and some Harvest DIY words. We'll put the link in the description box so you can order some online if you'd like, if you're unable to find them in your store. The first thing I did was take this bow off. Don't try to pick the stuff off, because I split my wood trying to do that. We're gonna glue a bow right over that, so if you've got a glob of glue there like I did, just leave it. Just leave it, it's not worth it. So I'm actually gonna cut that off because I'm gonna put a different piece of twine there, and I'm gonna go ahead and open my words up. I got my inspiration from, I'm using Hello Autumn. The rest, I thought they were all the same, but apparently they're different. So there's Blessed, there's Give Thanks, Welcome Fall, Hello Fall, and my favorite, Farm Fresh. Oh my gosh, I will be using this for something else on another project. I had no idea. I thought they were all Hello Autumn. I should have known better. All right, so we're gonna start by painting our pumpkin, this spiced pumpkin. I love this color. It makes a great pumpkin. We're gonna paint the whole thing, and then I'm gonna do some accents with the tealy color that's gonna be in my bow. And I don't have my cups in front of me, so I'm using my lid. Y'all know how it goes. All right, so let's go ahead and get this whole pumpkin painted this orange. Super, super cute. Make a really cute wall hanging. I'm thinking of using them on the windows at the shop, and so I'm gonna make a whole bunch of them so that I can decorate the front of the shop with these and not worry about them getting messed up. These pumpkins are a little hard to come by, so if you find them at your Dollar Tree, grab them. All right, let's just get this painted. This is a great orange. It looks so fall-y. And I think one coat will probably do it. We're just going to get a good base coat of that on there and then put our teal on. Sorry, it sounded like some activity going on in my house out there. I think my child must have forgotten something and come back in the house. Got my dogs all riled up and everything. All right, so we've got a nice coat of orange on there, which is gorgeous. And then I'm just gonna take the teal. It's actually Ocean Breeze. It's a great color because it's gonna work well. And I am gonna put a little bit of this in a cup because I don't wanna mix it in the lid because I've got this orange here and I'm gonna keep using this orange. I got a little bit of, let's get that off of there. That's not where I want you, man. Okay, now I'm just gonna dip in this and I'm gonna make some accents on the raised pieces. I want them on the raised pieces. That's pretty much how I want it. Okay, one more so it's a little brighter because my orange isn't dry. It is soaking in a little bit. But I love the texture and the colors of having that teal blue with that. And what you're gonna find is, because I'm gonna blend a little bit more like this. Whoopsie. I need to cover that up. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of orange again, kind of over top of it. It's all a layering process with this blue. I want it to be prominent, but I want it to look like it just aged right there on the pumpkin. So now I'll go back in and make these a little more prominent. I know it seems like a lot of extra work, but the finished product is always worth having done the extra steps. Because it's going to tie in beautifully with our ribbon. And we're going to do our words black so that they pop. And we're just gonna paint those really quick, and then we're gonna pop them on to our project. Let me grab the black. This couldn't be an easier project, I'm telling you. I'm just gonna wipe that off and use the exact same brush. Just go right over these letters really quickly. If you have a paint pen, you could use the paint pen too. That would be quick. Hello, come on. I'm almost to the end of the rope on this, this black paint. It is time for a new bottle. It would be pretty done in white as well. I just really like the pop of the black. And again, this is like, I had the ribbon for another project, so you have $2 invested in this project because I know you all have paint. So it's a super fun project for $2. All right, so that's all painted. So I'm gonna take a new piece of twine because we cut the other one off when we cut the tag off. New piece of twine through here. Tie a little knot in it. Just like that. Then I'm gonna take some hot glue. I'm gonna pop this, well, first I'm gonna put the bow on because I wanna see where I want my bow before I decide where my words are gonna be. All right, so I'm just gonna lay that down. Just like that, covering up that glue that I already had from the other piece. And mine's a little wet, so you guys wait till yours is dry to do this step. And then we're gonna glue on the Hello Autumn. I think I want mine right down here in the corner. Y'all know I love everything offset. I'm really funny about that. I like offset things. So I'm just gonna put a few dots of glue on there, and I'm gonna put Hello Autumn right down here in the corner, just like that. And just like that, you have the most adorable $2 project you can imagine. How stinking sweet is that? So I hope you guys will try this, and if you do, make sure that you send me some pictures so we can show them on our member page, and check out the links for these. If you have any trouble finding the pieces that you need for this, let me know, and I'll tell you where you can find them. Have a great night, guys. Bye.